In this video, I am going to talk about the nutrition value of barley, health benefits of barley, and at the end I am going to show you a very healthy, nutritious and tasty masala barley recipe. So watch this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to NutraLife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food, nutrition and education. Today I am going to talk about barley. Barley is world's fourth largest producing cereal grain of grass family. It's popularly known as fermentable material for the production of beer. It's also used in soup, stews and bread. Barley malt is a famous traditional preparation. This cereal grain is really having fantastic medicinal properties. It can help to lower your cholesterol level, it can improve digestion, it can help to release constipation, it also helps to prevent cancer as it is rich in antioxidant content. Barley grain is rich in vitamins, minerals, protein and dietary fiber. In this video, I am going to talk about the nutrition value of barley, health benefits of barley, and at the end I am going to show you a very healthy, nutritious and tasty masala barley recipe. So watch this video till the end. Barley helps to improve digestion process and release constipation. Barley is rich in dietary fiber content. 100 grams of barley contain around 15 to 16 grams of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber helps to grow good bacteria in the gut, which produces butyric acid, and this butyric acid is a fuel for intestinal cells to maintain good colon health. Dietary fiber also adds bulk to the intestinal content and it increases the intestinal movement. So it helps to release the constipation. Barley is very important to develop immunity. Barley is rich in some minerals and vitamins like niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, iron, magnesium, selenium, copper. All these nutrients are very important to develop immunity. These nutrients fortifies your defense mechanism and decreases the chances of occurrence of cold and flu. Iron from the barley helps to increase the blood volume and it reduces the fatigue due to anemia. Barley helps to prevent gallstone. Soluble dietary fibers from barley help to move the food quickly from small intestine to large intestine, and this condition prevents the excess secretion of bile acid and hence it prevents formation of gallstones. Barley helps to improve bone health as it is rich in some mineral contents like copper and phosphorus. These minerals are promoting bone health. It is a perfect food to include in diet to prevent the bone related diseases like osteoporosis. It's also containing very good amount of calcium, so it's good for bone and tooth health. Regular consumption of barley water can give you wrinkle-free and youthful skin. Barley water is rich in antioxidant contents and it's considered as good detox water. Consumption of barley water can take out toxins from your body and it gives you wrinkle-free and youthful skin. Barley is good for heart health. Soluble dietary fiber from barley helps to reduce cholesterol and fatty acids from the blood. Soluble dietary fiber dissolves in the intestine and it binds fat molecule and cholesterol molecules and it helps to excrete those fat and cholesterol molecule with the feces and prevents its absorption in the blood. In this way, soluble dietary fiber helps to reduce the risk of heart disease. Barley is also rich in vitamin B complex which helps to reduce the fatty acids and lipoproteins from the blood and hence it helps to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. Barley is helpful to prevent cancer including breast cancer, prostate cancer and colon cancer. Barley contains polyunsaturated fatty acids, oligosaccharides, lignans, saponins, and plant sterols. All these compounds have capacity to fight against free radical damage. These compounds have capacity to bind the carcinogens and remove them from your body. Barley is a good weight loss food as it containing very good amount of amino acids and dietary fibers. These compounds helps to regulate your blood sugar level and reduce the fat storage. Barley is containing less calories as compared to other grains. Soluble dietary fiber from barley makes you feel full for longer period. It gives you satiety feeling and prevents frequent eating. And hence it's preventing you to consuming calories. In this way, these compounds are helping you to reduce weight. Barley can be consumed in many forms. You can make masala barley, you can make barley roti, you can make barley malt, barley water. Numerous recipes you can make as you are preparing with the rice flour or wheat flour. Barley is very good option to replace rice. Ingredients required to prepare masala barley recipe are cooked barley, carrots, capsicum, broccoli, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chili, coriander, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin seed powder, salt to taste, and oil. Heat the cooking pan and add 5 to 10 ml of oil. You can use any oil. I am using rice bran oil here. Once the oil is heated, you can add cumin seed and let it flutter. Once the cumin seed are fluttered, you can add chopped garlic and ginger. First I am adding chopped garlic and then adding chopped ginger. Mix it well and let it fry till golden color. Once they fried, you can add chopped green chilies. You can use green chilies as per your choice. I have put only 2 chilies. If you like spicy, you can put more chilies. After chilies are fried, I am adding chopped onion. Then mix it well and let the onion fry. Once the onion is done, you can start adding vegetables. Here I am adding carrots. Carrot takes long time to cook, that's why first I am adding carrot. Mix it and then let it cook. After carrots, I am adding chopped broccoli, carrots and broccoli are giving nice bright colors. Then I am adding chopped capsicum. I have used 2 colors capsicum, yellow and green. You can also use vegetables of your choice. Mix the vegetables. And at last I am going to add some chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes will add little bit moisture to the vegetables and the vegetables can cook with the same moisture. No need to add extra water. Here I am adding turmeric powder. Then 1 teaspoon of garam masala. It's completely depends on you how much masala do you like to put. And I am adding some jeera powder. You can say cumin seed powder. And salt to taste. Then we have to mix it well with the vegetables. It's looking so nice and colorful. Wow, the colors looking so beautiful. Once it is mixed well, I'm adding little bit chili powder. It's completely optional. If you like more spicy, then you can add chili powder. If you don't like spicy, then skip this. All the vegetables are looking colorful. Now cover the pan and let the vegetables cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Here the vegetables are cooked nicely. You can see the vegetables are looking softer than earlier. And now we are adding cooked barley to the vegetables. Add some chopped coriander and mix the cooked barley with the vegetables. Mix it nicely. Now it is mixed well. Cover it and let it steam for 2 minutes. Here the colorful, nutritious masala barley recipe is ready to serve. Wow, it looks so colorful and delicious. One serving of masala barley recipe provides 9.7 gram of protein, 6.2 grams of fat, 51.6 gram of carbohydrates, 14 gram of fibers, 1.6 milligram of vitamin B, 30 milligram of vitamin C, 35.1 milligram of calcium, 1.6 milligram of iron, 37.1 milligram of magnesium and 9 milligrams of zinc. This recipe is very nutritious. You can see the single serving is providing 14 grams of dietary fiber, which is almost 90% of the daily fiber requirement. It is also rich in protein and minerals. This recipe makes 2 servings and the time required to prepare this recipe is 30 minutes. One serving of this recipe provides 275 kilocalories, and this is a perfect recipe for lunch. The nutritive value provided is approximate and it is calculated on dry weight basis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. See you next time. Bye.